Namaste. Today we will learn a few exercises to build a strong core. This workout will strengthen your lower abdomen and also improve your overall health. So let's get started. I've told this before as well in a video that what do we mean by saying the lower abdomen. The lower abdomen is the part of your abdomen below the navel, and then the yoga teachers just keep on telling you to press this part in, which is your lower abdomen, because it is so important for building our overall strength. So that is what we'll try and do over here as well as we go first into Urdhva Prasarita Asana. So take your legs up. Here what I'm doing is I'm pushing my feet towards the ceiling, then pushing that lower abdomen below the navel in towards the spine, pressing it in, yet letting my breath be comfortable. With that pressing in, the breath is comfortable because you're breathing from your upper abdomen, straightening your legs in between. Just to show you one more correction into this, just look at the Urdhva Prasarita from this angle as well. So when we look at this from here, then what I'm trying to do is draw in my thighs inwards so that the ankles come apart and the toes are together when we are doing this asana. So this is how you're supposed to do it. With time, strengthen, keep drawing in, pulling in the thighs. And then moving on from there, stay in the Urdhva Prasarita for a little bit. And then from there, taking the practice even forward. Then building onto the core, take your left foot down, keep the right one up, keep pushing it up towards the ceiling. And strengthen that lower abdomen. Keep breathing, keep a smile on your face, and then switch. And then again switch, taking one leg down, keeping the other one up, and then taking one leg down, keeping the other one up. Now, when you do this Urdhva Prasarita and this thing, all these muscles start feeling tired in a little bit, you can really relax yourself in between, even relax your lower back by bringing your thighs close to the abdomen, rocking from side to side, and giving yourself a break in between, which is very important as you build up your practice. Next, continuing from here itself, bring the right ankle onto your left thigh, then come up. Take your hand beyond your shin bone, beyond this bone, hold it over here, interlace the fingers and bring it close, taking up your chest as well. And as you bring this up, try and see that your neck is loose because we don't want any strain coming on the neck while we're working out our core. So stay over there, pressing in that lower abdomen, coming up. The action of coming up is basically aided by the strength in your core. And then the same thing you can do on the other side as well, quickly showing it, taking it like this, stay over there for as long as it feels comfortable, keep a smile, keep working those muscles. And then the last one which we want to do is that to pay attention a little bit to our side abs as well, come back into that same position. Then take your hands up. Now, whenever we are doing these crunches, try and see that you're not interlacing your fingers. Again, you're not pressing onto your neck, but keep the fingers on the side like this. Hold it lightly so that main work is coming from the core and it's not coming from the neck. So being over here, inhale, exhale, come up and go back. Exhale, up and go back. Main action is coming from the core. Exhale, come up and go back. See it one more time. Exhale, come up and go back and relax. The same thing you should be continuing on the other side as well. Just triangulate with these kind of muscles with this leg position and again taking your crunches and building up a strong core. So that's it for today. If you like this video, do click on the like button. With any thoughts or comments, please write in the comment section below and stay tuned, subscribe to the channel to view more such videos. Thank you.